And this is the flip's outer display when you record video. Well, it was. There we go. So you can switch between photo, you can switch between video, and you can switch between portrait mode. Now, that's still photo portrait mode. Now, when you go to video, this is one cool thing I like about this flip, is you can record on the outer display. You can record in landscape mode, horizontal, or you can record in vertical mode for social media. Now, not only that, you can also record in square. And then what was the other option? Full. So right now we're going to record, see what it looks like in horizontal mode, and let's take a look at the video quality. Alright, so now we're shooting in 16:9 format, horizontal landscape, and this is from the outer cameras. So the cameras on the outside, not the inside cameras. On the outside cameras, the best cameras on the device. And let me know how the audio sounds, because it appears there's quite a few microphones on this device. I think there's 5 of them, so the audio should be pretty damn good. Audio should be pretty damn good. Ooh, it's bright out here. Going to get my thin-born cases.